So guys, this is the APE Uni app. Then you go into this. This is what we call a tab, right? You just float over the tab, guys. And then those are the tasks: speaking, writing, reading, listening. The purpose of the lecture now is to address repeat sentence, which is closely related to write from dictation. There. Repeat sentence, write from dictation. They are exactly the same. The only difference is here you will verbally repeat the sentence. Here you will write the sentence here. So the technique, before we go into repeat sentence, we first need to practice with write from dictation there. Let's practice with this one first, guys. I think you will only get like 6 tasks of this one, or 5 or 4. That one is like 12, guys. 12. So let's begin by practicing this one, right from dictation. Do you understand, people? Okay. So if you do not have the app yet, then I would recommend that we go into YouTube. And then that's YouTube. And then you just type like right from dictation there. So and then lots of videos giving tips on how to do right from dictation. So let's begin with right from dictation. There's repeat sentence, guys. So again, the technique, this is new, right? So again, guys, the technique, we will catch the last part. Catch the last part of the sentence because the first part is easier to remember. So this is how it goes.
Social media influences public opinion and trends.
So I heard social media, and then my focus is on influences, public opinion, and trends. There, guys. And then I will just enter social media there. Because the subject, the first part, I remember it. And then this one is the one we tend to forget. There, influences, public opinion, and trends. That's where we suddenly miss the
Social
verb
media influences public opinion and trends.
there. So that's why I began by typing influences, public opinion, and trends because I remember the subject, social media. Here's another one, guys.
Volunteer work can be a rewarding experience.
There. So I remember the subject is volunteer work. There. So volunteer work can be a rewarding experience. Do you understand, people? Do you follow?
Yes, sir. Sir, kailangan po ba paano pag nakalimutan po yung period, may
Kailangan may period,
incorrect
guys.
pa din po siya?
Yeah, it will be marked a mistake. And then watch out for the capitalist.
Volunteer work can be a rewarding experience.
So here goes the third one.
Watching a movie under the stars is a unique experience.
So I remember the watching a movie. So I type under the stars. It's a unique experience. Is that clear, people? It's easier, isn't it? Right, guys? Do you agree?
Opo.
I began typing with under the stars is a unique experience. That's the one I will forget.
Watching a movie under the stars is a unique experience.
I will not forget the first part. That's the one we remember. But the last part, that's where it messes up. That's why that's the one I type first.
Global cooperation is necessary to address climate change.
Guys, there was a problem with the recording, so I
Necessary.
didn't hear the first part.
Climate change.
Aw, unfair. I just heard cooperation. So I will make a mistake there. There's another word other than cooperation.
Global cooperation is necessary to address climate change.
Global. Making sense, people?
Yes, sir.
Making sense. Better, right? Last one.
The first snow of winter always brings excitement.
So I remember the first part. But I type always brings excitement because that's the one I will forget. There, guys. Always brings excitement.
The first snow of winter always brings excitement.
Okay. Let's try the one in the app itself. RC, we're doing PTE. So let's try to do the app itself, guys. Remember, we are in write from dictation, right? There. I will click on that, guys. And then there are 1,000 practice tests for this one, guys. And then, oh my God.
The
what's
author
this?
expressed an idea that modern readers inevitably cannot accept.
It played automatically.
The author expressed an idea that modern readers inevitably cannot accept.
I typed the last part, guys. And then the first part, the author expressed idea that modern readers inevitably cannot accept. That's my entry, guys. So I began with the last part. Because this one I can easily remember. But suddenly, when you add all of these other words, oh my God, your mind is a mess. That's why I begin with the last part. Making sense, guys? Making sense? And then let's check, submit. Oh, I had a mistake. An idea. That's okay, guys. An idea. Okay, let's have another one. Next, we will click next. I mean the last part, guys.
Biology department is dedicated to research activities.
So I was typing is dedicated to research activities because I will remember biology department, but I will not remember is dedicated to research activities. That's why I type is dedicated to research activities first. Makes sense, people? So nice, right, guys? Submit. Perfect. Yeah, it's so nice, guys. Pretty soon you're gonna perfect this already, guys.
A new article was published regarding the university last week.
So what's published regarding the university last week? There's no way I can remember that in the first hearing. I only remember a new article. There, guys. That's why I typed this one first. So nice, guys. You love it? You love it? That's right from dictation. Perfect, guys. 10 words. And last one, guys. Last one. Next. Next.
The notification will not be received until the following week.
There, guys, I typed the last part because the first part I will remember, but not the last part. That's why I type it first. The first part is the notification. There, guys. Perfect. Submit. Perfect, guys. So much fun. I want to do this the whole day. Last, guys. I promise. The very last.
Gravity is the force that attracts two bodies toward one another.
There, guys. That's the last part. Is the force that attracts two bodies towards one another. And then I remember gravity. There. That's it. Or if you want, you can just type that attracts two bodies towards one another because it's easy to remember gravity is the force. Am I making sense, people? You understand? Do you follow?
Yes po.
Submit. Oh, we had one mistake. Oh, toward. Okay, that's tough. Cheater. Or so hard to hear. Okay, promise. The very last. This is so addicting. I wanna do this the whole night.
Many different conferences offer opportunities for volunteer work.
So I remember many different conferences, and then I don't think I will remember offer opportunities for volunteer work. That's why I typed it first. So and then we will just follow up by the first part, many different conferences. There, guys. And then submit 8 out of 8. You like it, guys? You like it? So we begin. Again, we go over this tab. We always begin with right from dictation before we do repeat sentence. If you're getting better in right from dictation, repeat sentence will follow. There. So now let's try repeat sentence. We can do it here, guys, but I will do the one in YouTube first. There. So let's go into YouTube. We will go into YouTube. Where's YouTube? There. So we will just type in the search box, repeat sentence. There, repeat sentence PTE 2024. So the technique is the same, guys. Focus on the last part. So let's try this one. 50 practice test. There it is, guys.
Over the past decade, the global shift towards solar energy is evident.
So I remember the global shift towards solar energy is evident. Do you follow, guys? So the answer is over the last decade, the global shift towards solar energy is evident. Is that clear, people? The recording said over the last decade. So, but I was paying attention to the last part, the global shift towards solar energy is evident. There. Because I cannot pass. It's so hard to remember that. That's why my mind is towards the last part. Because this one I will remember, but that one I will not. There, guys. Okay. If you practice with right from dictation, this will be better also, the repeat sentence. So let's check, guys. Over the last decade, the global shift towards solar energy is evident. See, I cannot possibly remember the last part. There, guys.
Over the past decade, the global shift towards solar energy is evident.
Okay. The next one, guys. I'm focusing on the last part.
Many scientists are dedicated to exploring the vast mysteries of our universe.
Are dedicated to exploring the past. Many scientists are dedicated to exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. That's so long.
Ang haba.
Haba eh.
Many scientists are
So my mind was here, and then it was so long, guys. It's putting a strain on my memory. But it's good I was able to remember it yet. Do you follow, guys? My mind was here, are dedicated to exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. Because I will not forget many scientists, but I will forget this one, guys. Let's have another one. Just keep practicing, guys.
dedicated to exploring the vast mysteries of our universe.
Here we go.
In 2022, approximately 20% of newly sold cars were electric models.
Approximately 20% of newly sold cars were electric models. In 2022, approximately 20% of newly sold cars were electric models. So
In
long.
2022, approximately 20
So my mind was here, guys. But if you want, if it, like in 2022, approximately 20%, you can zone out there, and then you can just maybe begin with 20% of newly sold cars were electric models. It's long. The longer it is, guys, the more it puts a strain on your memory. There. Let's have another one, guys.
20% of newly sold cars were electric models.
With technological advances, continuous learning has become a vital aspect of careers.
Has become a vital aspect of career. With technological development, continuous learning has become a vital aspect of career. So guys, what I did there was I tried to recall the has become part. Has become a vital aspect of career. And then, did I get this correct? With technological advances, continuous learning has become a vital aspect of careers. Here, guys. It really helps if you understand the sentence also, guys.
With technological advances, continuous learning has become a vital aspect of careers.
So my mind was here because this one I will remember. The with technological advances, continuous learning, I will remember those. But the last part has become a vital aspect of careers. Oh my God, I don't think I will remember all of that. Am I making sense, people? Let's have another one.
As societies evolve, artistic trends often reflect the changing cultural sentiments.
Artistic trends often reflect the changing cultural sentiment. As societies evolve, artistic trends have reflected the changing cultural sentiment. I think I got some of them wrong. Artistic trends often reflect the changing cultural sentiment. Even even if we start from the last part, guys, it's still very long. It's still very long, guys. Ah, okay.
As societies evolve, artistic trends often reflect the changing cultural sentiments.
Sentiment.
An estimated 25% of the world's forests are now protected areas.
Of the world's forests are now protected areas. An estimated 25% of the world's forests are now protected areas.
An estimated 25% of the world's forests are now protected areas.
So, where did I begin? The world's forests are now protected areas. I began from here, guys, because this one I will remember it, but that last part I will not remember it as much. Making sense, people? Next, let's proceed up to 10, guys.
The importance of a balanced diet in daily routines is universally recognized.
Is universally recognized. The importance of a balanced diet and routine is universally recognized.
The importance of a balanced diet in daily routines is universally recognized.
I got these two wrong, guys. I began remembering it universally recognized. That's how it is, guys.
By the year 2030, urban farming might be a common practice.
Urban farming might be a common practice. By the year 2030, urban farming might be a common practice. Follow, people?
By the year 2030, urban farming might be a common practice.
Make sense, people? Two more, guys.
Across the globe, the celebration of festivals brings communities together.
The celebration of festivals brings communities together. Across the globe, the celebration of festivals brings communities together.
Across the globe, the celebration of festivals brings communities together.
There, I began from here, guys. This one I will easily remember. Last, guys.
It's believed that nearly 15% of marine species remain undiscovered.
15% of marine species remain undiscovered. It is believed that 15% of marine species remain undiscovered.
It's believed that nearly
There, I
15% of marine species remain undiscovered.
I began there, guys. Oh, I missed the word nearly, guys. So there was one mistake there. Let's now go into APE Uni, guys. And then, so don't forget, you drill first with Write from dictation, guys. Deal with that first. Let's do repeat sentence. So guys, there's a problem with my Bluetooth headset. So I don't think it will hear my responses, but I'll try to shout. Click.
Students from different backgrounds can achieve a variety of qualifications.
Can achieve a variety of qualifications. Students from different backgrounds can achieve a variety of qualifications. Done. Oh my God, look at this. Look at these answers. Oh God, today I have my exam. Please help me. Okay, where's my recording? Oh, it's here. There. Done. It did not record, guys. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, it did not record.
Look at
Okay.
these answers.
Oh, God. Let's do the next one. Next.
We will change the classroom because this one is too small.
Because this one is too small. We will change the classroom because this one is too small. Done. Was it recorded? Where's the recording? Oh, I cannot understand. We'll do the next one, guys. I'm having a problem with the recording. Next one.
Car park permits can be obtained at the Student Service Center.
Can be obtained at the Student Service Center. Car park permits. Is it recording? Car park permits can be obtained at the Student Service Center. Stop. There. Record. Car park permits can be obtained at the service center. It does not. There's something wrong with the recording, guys. That's why it's not as clear. I will not score high here. Transcript. Where's my answer? It did not record my answer, guys. So let's not record anymore, guys. I will just answer it without the recording. Next.
You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday.
You can skip the session for Wednesday. You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday. I wonder if that was recorded. You can skip the sessions for Wednesday. It does not record. You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday. It can hear the dog barking. Okay, let's submit. Where's my score? Where's my score? I don't see my score, guys. This is from Sheila. You can skip the sessions for Wednesday. Oh, there's a scoring. You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday. Click the score. You can skip the sessions for Wednesday. You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday. You can skip the sessions for Wednesday.
Guys,
You
I
are
have
not
no
sure that you can skip
pronunciation and
the sessions
fluency
for
because
Wednesday.
recording is not good. Okay. Making sense, people? Makes sense. How do you move on to the next? Escape? Yeah, escape. Next.
The students are supposed to assemble in the seminar hall before the announcement.
Are supposed to assemble at the seminar hall before the announcement. The students are supposed to assemble at the seminar hall before the announcement. How hard. There, guys. Do you understand? I think it's really best if we practice with YouTube first, guys. YouTube first. YouTube first. There are so many videos with repeat sentence. There, guys. All right. One more. Number 11.
The integration of technology and education has transformed modern learning experiences.
Has transformed modern learning experience. The integration of technology and experience has transformed modern educational systems. Did I get that correct?
The integration of technology and education has transformed modern learning experiences.
I got these two wrong, guys. That's okay. The very last, I promise.
Over 30% of global energy is expected to be renewable by 2050.
Is expected to be renewable by 2050. Over 30% of energy is expected to be renewable by 2050.
Over 30% of global energy is expected.
So I missed the global energy, guys, but that's okay. My mind was here. It's expected to be renewable by 2050. There, guys. And then, over 30% of energy. I forgot the word global. All right. But my mind was here. That's okay. Just one mistake. So in summary, guys, what we should not do is we will try to remember the first part, because if you try to remember the first part, but the time you arrive at the last part, you cannot remember anything anymore. Is that clear, people? That's why we will try to begin at the last part, because it is easier for you to remember the first part rather than the last part. That's why we are waiting for the last part. We wait for the last part. And then when we remember the last part, it's easier for us to remember the first part. Here, guys. Making sense, people? Takes practice. Takes practice, guys. Making sense? Are you still awake? Hey,
Sir.
Okay, very last. I promise, very last. Last part only, a last part.
To be renewable by 2050.
Last part only, last part.
The joy of traveling lies in experiencing diverse cultures and traditions.
Lies in experiencing diverse cultures and traditions. The joy of traveling lies in experiencing diverse cultures and traditions. There, guys. My mind was
The joy
in
of
lies.
traveling lies in experiencing diverse cultures and traditions.
My mind was here.
because it's easier for me to remember the first part, but hard to remember the last. Okay, guys, you practice with YouTube first. Practice with YouTube. There, see, repeat sentence. So many. Repeat sentence, right from dictation. Okay, guys. Drill some more, guys. And then, final word, guys. Don't worry, you won't fail it, guys. Even if you get all the repeat sentence questions imperfect, you will still pass. Okay? So that's your very first assignment. You need to drill. There's a tab. You need to drill these two, guys. Repeat sentence and write from dictation. But you should begin from write from dictation. That will improve your repeat sentence. Okay. Stopping the recording, guys.